PSA Thunderbolt belongs to Henry Gregson.
Which model is thinking?
650 PSA Thunderbolt belongs to Henry Gregson of Blackpool VMCC.
Okay, and how much is the engine?
650.
That's still in a working condition.
Works well.
Where do you get the parts nowadays?
That's the Thunderbolt in the white t-shirt.
Right there, I'll ask you.
Internet? Yeah. Or through word of mouth. Or we make them. Engineer. Aeroplane engineer. The TT spoke wheel ones were used by the marshals in the Isle of Man in the 80s. For the TT races, they done a special version. It should be a badge on the side to say, yeah.
It's a 1971 bike, originally supplied to the Metropolitan Police Force. So it didn't look like that when it left the factory. It's been rebuilt a number of times and it's now looking like an American export model.
So in a working condition?
It's in pretty good condition. It wasn't done, it didn't do a huge mileage and it hasn't done since. It's only really used for vintage dues.
How big that engine is?
650cc. It was the very first year of the oil in the frame chassis, but it's the last year of the 4-speed 650 units.
How do you maintain? Where did you get the parts?
Oh, there's loads of parts available. They built thousands of these. There's no problem at all getting parts. They're very easy to work on. Gentleman who owns it.
Who owns this?
That one there, the guy with the Royal Enfield.
Hi.
Because the job is 500, 600.
Right.
Then they went 650.
Is it okay if I record this?
Of course you
on
can.
YouTube channel, and it's, I love to say Royal Enfield.
Are you from India?
Yeah. Last time I saw Royal Enfield in New Delhi. Driving in New Delhi. Yeah.
Right.
So which model is this? Oh, Royal Enfield. Okay. Which model is this?
Very rare. The engine is actually 1920, the engine. It's registered as a 1927 Vickers Enfield, and the engine was made by Vickers Wolseley under licence from Royal Enfield. And then later on, Royal Enfield started making their own engines again. But that is a Vickers Wolseley engine. It's exactly the same. What do you call it?
Still in a working condition.
Well, that'll be after it all. It weren't like that when I got it.
How did?
That much. They left the trailers and fillings and teeth.
Can I just ask you? Can you start this? Can you start the engine?
I'm going in 5 minutes.
Okay.
So this is what they call an anti-burglar alert. So if you get it,
It's a manual.
it works though, doesn't it?
How often do they pump the oil when you're riding?
Well, I have the timer, and that second wise, that'll be like 2 seconds before she comes up. And when you pump it down, it primes the oil. As it comes up, it pulls the oil up and sends it down. So this is like a metering device. So you can set it to minimum or maximum. So a happy medium is like when that comes up and it hits my leg.
So what is it, every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes?
Every 10 minutes it makes sure it's got a good shot.
How big the capacity for that?
Well, you've got oil tank inside and the petrol tank. The petrol tank's about 1.5 gallons, and the oil tank is looking about 0.5 gallon of oil.
What average she can give?
Because it's total loss. So what goes in the engine comes out. I'll just get my gear on you. KX.
Yeah.
Have you heard of the KX? It's a V-twin
Yeah.
1939,
Yeah.
1140cc. Biggest V-twin made in England till 1970s, 1980s. And they were used in Singapore on the docks for transporting silk and cotton around. Biggest V-twin, massive engine.
They are exporting nowadays everywhere.
Oh, yeah. They're great. A lot of.
But it's splash.
Yeah, goes into the bottom of the crankcase, round to the big end.
Yeah.
That's the lubrication.
And it gets burnt through the rings.
But you actually have on this side.
Oh, it's a side valve.
Yeah. And then barrels and heads are all one piece, if you notice.
Yeah.
They're not detachable heads. So when it was made, it was all made in one piece. I'll just see if I have any petrol.
What the fuck was your valve?
On this side.
Is that a kickstart or a button?
Ah. So the valve, yeah, I know, I get it.
Oh, loads of petrol left.
Is that a kickstart?
Yeah. Oh, there's no electric bloody start on this.
So range is going to be what, about 50, 60 miles?
She'll do.
We'll see how many.
72 gallons. Yeah.
I'd love to see how many kicks you need to put. One kick start or
Quite big tyres on it.
where is the side mirror? You drive without any side mirror. That's true.
I think my clutch is too tight.
few squeaks and rattles, but it does. Here's a triumph, man.
Is it okay if you can somebody switch on this? Just need to see
Yeah,
that.
Graham will kick her over.
Yeah, just need to-
I've only done it twice when he's showing
Just
her.
need to hear the noise.
Leave it be.
I'm only pilling.
Yeah.
So, can't remember yeah.
Can you
So,
can you kickstart, William?
can you kick her up?
Just the engine start. Need to feel her engine voice.
And it's got what, 30 odd brake, so she got a thing, she absolutely fucking rips it together. So I'm gonna do like a proper quarter or an 8 mile run somewhere hopefully down at Yorkshire.
They're reliable.
I had to get wider tyres in the back of the brake. Decent tyre, original tyre size, so I'd have to obviously
Ready. 1993. And how big the tanker is? You
How
know
big what?
You know the tanker size?
The tank?
Yeah.
14 litre.
40 litre.
It's dented up like, but it's 14 litres. It's dented and that, but it's 14 litres.
And engine size?
1252 stroke.
How much average? How long you can go with this one tanker?
About 45 mile.
45 miles. And where did you get all the parts, just to maintain?
Everywhere.
Easily.
You have to look everywhere for it. It's a rare bike now.
Is it still in a good condition, driving condition?
The engine's mint.
Yeah.
The outside's rough.
It's a bit more. Yeah. It's got
Is
a
it
bit more on it.
okay if you just start, just feel the engine? And you need to show the...
So this is off the NZR.
Is that not a kickstart, it's electronic?
It's just deeper.
It's good, man.